What's up guys, CKD here, man. In today's video, I got some dope Apple AirPod cases that I want to show y'all, man, real quick. And we're going to get into all of that. But before I do, I have to say, man, the Apple AirPods 2 is actually really dope. Now, the Hey Siri feature is actually a feature that I've been finding myself using more and more. And I must say that whether I'm in a loud situation or if I'm in a quiet situation, it can pretty much hear me using that far field technology better than pretty much any of the other ones that I have. And again, I've been saying to date that the Apple HomePod is probably by far the best one that you guys can get in regards to the far field technology, because I don't know what technology that they're using, but their far field technology is much better than the Amazon Alexa as well as the Google Home as well. So take that for what it is, and they've seemed to take that same technology and put it into the Apple AirPods, which is really, really dope. But again, whole another video, and we'll definitely be touching on that a little more. Definitely drop me a comment down below if that's something you guys want to hear. So let's go ahead and get into, man, these cases. So, but I guess first let's roll the intro. C-Squad, yeah, we started something great. My goals on the horizon, I'm just cleaning off my plate. Listen up, we got tech so passionate, keeps the fire going higher. 100K still a goal, which I'm inspired. Hey, links for my peoples, they buying sequels. I'm just here to keep it peaceful, so comment after these bars. Share, like, subscribe, we moving closer to these stars. Another video is here, so sit back, it's up to par. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, the very first one, let's jump right into this, man. I have the Captain America one that you guys can check out, represent that MCU. Again, if you guys don't have your tickets by now, good luck trying to find them, because they're pretty much sold out everywhere, as this is probably going to be one of the biggest movies this year, probably next to Lion King. But again, got this Captain Marvel one, Captain American Marvel. I got this Captain American one here for you guys to check out. Now, this one here is made of a silicone material. You have a nice little clip here on the side where you can take this clip here, clip it on just like so. Boom, and you can have it hanging from maybe like your belt loop, or have it hooked onto a backpack of some sort. Or if you don't want this, you can easily take it off and have it off to the side like so. On the bottom here, we got a flap that's going to be used for dust and water protection, so that's going to protect you guys. And so yeah, man, this is going to be a dope one, I think, for you guys to take to the movie theaters. Links to all of these ones I'm going to show you guys will be down in the description below. All right, so the next one I got to show y'all is by a company called Nomad. Now, I've been rocking this one on my Apple AirPods 1 since CES timeframe back in January, and this has been my go-to one that I've been rocking, mainly because I really love the leather feel, as well as that leather look. And then you also have the two-tone with the black going all the way around it. You have a cutout here on the bottom that is going to be used for you guys to be able to plug in to be able to charge these up, since the Apple AirPods 1 don't have wireless charging. But if you guys want to use these on the Apple AirPods 2, it can work with the wireless charging feature, as all of these that I will show you guys today does work with the wireless charging feature on the AirPods 2. So yeah, so this is the one that I've been rocking, man. Really, really like this one. And you also should check out their power map, because they've been had Apple AirPower for a while now. So go check them out. All right, so the next one I gotta show y'all, man, is by a company called Alago. Now, this one here I picked up simply because of the look and the customization of what you can do with this one. Now, this one here, again, has the two-tone look. I have a blue bottom with a coral or a peachy style look on the top. Now, one thing I like is that I can swap out this top part and put on the other one that I have, which is like this, like a grayish look, and you can switch up the color and your style however you guys want to have it, and boom, flip it up, works just fine, won't slip off, boom, works just good. So with that being said, the other thing I want to mention, that if you guys have these on the AirPods 2, it is a little bit of transparency here, so that way you guys can still see the charging of the green light right underneath with the case on, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, keep in mind that the button for the AirPods 2 for you guys to be able to reset or pair to a new device has moved up a little bit to be more centered on the back. So a majority of these cases have been built for the AirPods 1, although they do fit at the AirPods 2. Just keep in mind that the reset or the pairing button on the back probably won't be aligned to a lot of the cutouts or the push locations for the pairing option on the back. But this here is the case by Alago. Links for this down in the description below. All right, so the next one that I have here is by Catalyst. Now, this one here I picked up because I like the look of it online, but I have to say, I've been using this one for a little while, and this is probably gonna be my least favorite out of all of them, mainly because I don't like the fact that I have to flip this rubber part down here, which can be a bit difficult to be able to access my pods, and I just don't think it just looks good with it folded down like so. So yeah, but if you guys like that look, then you guys like it. But this is going to be more fitting. Again, you're gonna have that button on the back that's gonna be more fitted for the AirPods 1. And then you have a closed flap here that's gonna protect your port here from dust and water as well. You do have a clip here on the side to be able to take one of the clips that it comes with to be able to clip it on, again, a backpack or your belt loop or something like that. So this is the one by Catalyst. I will have a link for this one down in the description below. All right, so the next one that I have here is by a company called Hostile, which is actually a really dope name, how they spelled it and how it actually is pronounced. But anyway, this one here has the logo of their company on the back, and then you also have a nice snug fit on the side here. You get a nice little clip here, as it does come with a clip for you guys, again, to hook this onto a backpack or, again, belt loop or anything like that. Yeah, open this up, man. Feels really good. Feels good in the hands. Again, made of a nice silicone material, branded on the back. I will say, although it feels good in the hands, it also has probably the most cheap feeling out of all of the other ones, but again, it still feels good in the hands, and I will have a link to this one down in the description as well. All right, so the next one is going to be for you ladies out there that are you divas. So this one here is going to have a nice little disco ball looking thing. You can also clip this on to maybe like your purse that you may be carrying or anything like that. But as far as the material, you're going to have a nice shimmering look here that's going to be appealing to you ladies out there. Also have the see-through look, so you can still see your charging on the front. And yeah, it has the same silicone feel as some of the other ones out there, but yet you get a nice little blinged out little ball here that you ladies can show off to a lot of your friends. So this is going to be the case that I will have for you ladies down in the description below. All right, so the next one I have for you ladies is this Coco Paris Bougie one that you ladies can get out there, man. This is strictly for the divas out there. You got a nice little fuzzy little ball. I'm not gonna lie, this bad boy here feels nice, but I will say this is probably, out of the two that I've shown you so far, as far as cases that are gonna be more so for the ladies out there, this is gonna be one that I dislike the most, and let me show you why, as there is a reason why I do not have this thing all the way pushed down, because it is extremely hard to get this thing off. Let me show you. So taking the top off is not the problem. It's getting the case out of here that is the problem. So yeah, this one here, it may look nice, but definitely keep in mind, if you ladies push this thing all the way down in here, be prepared to have a hard time if you are trying to swap out a different style case for your Apple AirPods. But this here is the Coco Chanel perfume bottle, I guess, for the Apple AirPods 1 as well as 2. Links for this one down in the description below. Well guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Just put back on the cases that I primarily use, which is the one by Alago as well as the leather one by Nomad. So if you guys would like any of these cases that I just showed you all, links for them will be all down in the description below for you all to check out. If you have any other cases that you all would like me to check out, go ahead and comment down in the comment section below. And that pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks again for watching. Be different, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.